some very scenic routes that we have been through. We have reached Stechelberg, which is just a few kilometers away from Interlaken. We are going to walk to the cable station. We're going to take a series of cables and we're going to go to the top of the Schilthorn peak. Brace up for some exciting views. You see up in the skies, you can see some people doing paragliding as well, which will be for tomorrow for us. From the parking lot itself, we can already start enjoying some great and amazing views. Here, for example, you have one of the waterfalls, one of the several waterfalls in the Lautenbrunnen Valley. The views are so amazing, guys. I'm so hyped right now. Just taken the tickets to the peak and now we're queuing to get to the cable car. Actually, guys, there are different ways to reach Schilthorn depending on where you start your ride. If you start from Lautenbrunnen, you have to take the cable car to Großschalp. There you take the narrow gauge train to Murren. The final leg of the trip starts there. You will board the cable car and switch to another one in Berg. Then you reach the summit of the Schilthorn. But we decided to instead start from Stechelberg. That 15-minute car ride from Lautenbrunnen to Stechelberg was incredible as we drove through the valley with waterfalls coming off the side of the mountains and the Alps out ahead in front of us. Besides, going up from Stechelberg is quite spectacular as you will ascend an impressive 2,108 meters in just half an hour. The ride in itself is an attraction. From there, we took the cable car to Gimmerwald, then to Murren, and from there on, it's the same path to the top. We are currently at Berg station, guys. Actually, we have decided to go directly to the Schilthorn peak because when we checked the live cams from the top, the weather was clear, so we wanted to get there as fast as possible just in case the weather changes. And then we're gonna come back and enjoy each of those villages. That's it, guys, we have finally reached the top. I can't wait to get outside and enjoy the views. The views are simply out of this world. In fact, I don't need to comment more on this. You know what, guys? Just sit back and enjoy. So those are the different peaks. Everything was perfect up there. Except maybe for that one incident where I nearly got my drone seized. Anyways, on a more happy note, my drone also attracted the attention of the younger ones up there. Summer was here, but the high altitude meant there still was some snow here and there, and we couldn't help but to go and enjoy and play around. Again, guys, we are explorers, and again we are going off the beaten track. We're gonna stay here until some of those guys comes down telling us, okay, you don't have the right to be here. You can clearly see that the ice is melting over here. You can see water droplets, and it's freezing cold. That's enough now. I'm gonna make my way up there. So far, the trip to Schilthorn was outstanding, and it was only getting better, as the next attraction to go was a steep, glass-floored sightseeing path around a cliff, offering views of the Eiger and Jungfrau peaks. And not just the glass-floored path, but also other thrilling obstacles to go about. at all. But it seems it wasn't the case for everyone. All these, together with the beautiful views, made the whole experience fun and exciting. Well, that was it for Schilthorn Peak. If ever you're coming to Switzerland, I truly believe this is one of the best places you should go and visit. The plan now was to take the cable car down and then explore the villages of Muren and Grindelwald. And now we are in the village of Muren. Just behind me, it looks like a school. It's closed right now. And what a place as well to have a school. I mean, if I was a student here, whenever I look outside the window out of the classroom and see, views as such, I don't think I will be able to concentrate on the classes. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we're going for some paragliding, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that upcoming video. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, as this helps me a lot. See you guys in the next one. So there is this amazing waterfall just right there, and we took a few pictures of it, but it was too far. We want to get closer. Let's see how close we can get to it. That's the waterfall. It's the one we saw on our way up and down to Muren, the cable car. And oh yeah, if ever you fall in this river, guys, forget about it, you won't make it. There we go. It's a nice place to make some picnics over there.